Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to set up. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to swipe up or go back on any iPhone. So how we can do it. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to demonstrate you this one by one. So what you need to do is, if you're going over here in the settings, for example. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to swipe up or go back on your iPhone. Okay, swipe pale. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to swipe or go back on any iPhone and how we can do it. So let's get started. So what you need to do is, you just need to go over here, tap on the settings, for example. So imagine that if you go to general, so right now we have two options. If you go back to the previous menu, one, we have to go over here, tap on the back icon. You have to tap on this one so that you are on the main page like this. But if you're in already over here to any other page, if you wanted to go back apart from this, what you need to do is, you just need to do like this so that you are into the back page. But from here you cannot go back. You don't have any option because this is the main page. So you can only go back from a sub page to the main page like this. For example, like I said, go to the general and do anything. Just go back. You just need to go over here, tap on this, or you can just use this. Use your finger like this so that you're onto the back page. This is what you have to do as the step. And also, if you're any kind of app, for example, if you're on any kind of apps or any kind of things, you can do the same. For example, if you're over here and if you're trying to read something, if you wanted to go back, just go over here, tap on this little icon, so you're on the back, and this is how we can do it. And also similarly, for example, if you're on kind of Safari, reading any kind of articles or any kind of things, and right now this is a main page, a site. So if I'm going to tap on this one, right now I'm going to read this particular article over here. Right, so what I'm going to do is just go over here. Let me tap on this one. Sorry, I'm already in a sub article. So if I wanted to go back, if I'm reading any kind of articles, we have two ways. What you need to do is just need to go back like this, so you are taken back to the main page or the official page. Or if you go back over here, if you wanted to go back, for example, you can go over here. If you're in the Safari or any kind of browser, you can just go over here, tap on this particular icon over here, that is taken to this. And this is how we can do it. Or apart from this, you don't have any other option. You can just do like this, and this is what simple as it is. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. See you soon next video. Peace out. Bye bye.